When disaster strikes, natural or otherwise, most of us turn first to our cell phones. Even the police and first responders rely heavily on cellular data networks. And as we learned in back-to-back hurricanes last year, that is often a losing proposition. Bryan Llenas joining us now with a new technology that can bring cell service back online, but this time from the sky. Hi, Bryan.
Hi, Leland. Well, last year during Hurricanes Harvey, Irma, and Maria, cellular providers found that repairing their damaged cell towers quickly proved difficult because of flooded roads and infrastructure. Well, now Verizon Wireless has partnered with American Aerospace Technologies to develop a drone that is able to provide cell phone service to first responders and to the public in the immediate aftermath of a storm. The 17-foot-long drone can fly for 10 to 16 hours as high as 15,000 feet. It carries 4G LTE equipment, and once in the air, it acts like a flying cell tower, providing service for up to a 40-mile range.
The worst thing is when you pick up your cell phone and you have no coverage. So for us to be able to use this technology to save lives is everything, and that's kind of what we're in this for. But then when you've got the general public out there who are, just looking for any sign of life, if we can provide that, they can make a quick phone call.
We were there as they tested this drone in New Jersey. The drone is designed to provide enough signal for phone calls. In this test, 39 first responders and the public were able to connect to one drone simultaneously. Now, AAT and Verizon say they expect in the next year or two to be flying routinely after natural disasters. 2017 was the costliest weather disaster year in U.S. history, according to the National Oceanographic and Atmospheric Administration. And 2018 is expected to be intense for emergency responders as well.
This is another tool in our toolbox, and it seems to be a wave of the future, whether it be for communication testing or it be for damage assessment or situational reports after a major storm. It's going to be a big tool that emergency management is going to be able to use nationwide.
Now, the biggest hurdle for this technology is regulatory. They are waiting for more permissions and guidelines from the FAA, allowing them to fly right after a storm. Leland.
Yeah, especially considering that oftentimes after a storm, as you know, Bryan, you got helicopters in the air trying to rescue people. You got
restricted air zones.
Right. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. A lot going on. Right. Bryan, great story. Fascinating. Thanks a lot. We'll see you soon, buddy.
Of course.